Let's look at a CAT 2019 slot 2 question. Start the timer. The average of 30 integers is 5. The moment we say our average, we know the total over here is going to be 35s are 150. Fine. Among these 30 integers, there are exactly 20 which do not exceed 5. So 20 are going to be less than equal to 5. Then the remaining 10 are going to definitely be more than 5. What is the highest possible value of the average of these 20 integers? To maximize this, I have to minimize this 10. What is the smallest value I can give for these 10 integers greater than 5? That's going to be 6. 10 6 are 60. The total I know for all 30, right? So what is that? Into 5, 150. We found that. So this total over here has to be 90, right? 150 minus 60. This is the highest possible total we can have here. Total of 20 items, 90 by 20, that comes to 4.5. Option 2 over here becomes the answer, right? So this is a question, right? You understand the concept, understand that, if one has to be maximized, right? You need the highest possible value of 20 integers. The sum is a constant, 150, right? 90 plus 60 is 150. If this has to be maximized, the other end has to be minimized, right? What is the smallest value I can give for the remaining 10 integers? There are only 20 which are less than equal to 5. So the remaining 10 have to be greater than 5. The smallest I can give is just more than 5 integer, that's 6. So 10 into 6 is 60, the total of these 10, the smallest possible total. Then the largest possible total over here is going to be 90 because the grand total is 150, 30 into 5. Average into number of terms is the total. So therefore, 90 is what you find over here as the total for the 20 integers. Average is going to be 90 by 20, right? So these are the total in fact, and this over here is the average, that is actually the number of terms, and this over here is the average. I've not really labeled them, but that should run in your mind as you're solving it. And this is the way you can answer this question quickly.